Let's start with the new chapter, Pandas. So let's start with introduction to Pandas. What is Pandas? It's a free software and it was released in the year 2008. This was released as a library for Python programming language in order to do data manipulation and analysis. We already learnt one library, that is NumPy. We used NumPy for the operations on or scientific operations on values. But before this NumPy also we were able to do mathematical operations and scientific calculations over numbers. But the advantage after using NumPy is that the number of lines of the program can be reduced if we use the library. So in the same way, this Pandas is also a library like NumPy, which helps us in analyzing and manipulating the data. And it is written or developed by Wes McKinney, and he created this as a flexible tool for quantitative analysis on financial data. And he was born on 20th March 1985. So 2008 this Pandas got released, and now we are learning this as a part of our syllabus. Means you can imagine how important or how much is the advantage that we get from this Pandas library. And once again I repeat, Pandas is a library that helps us in data analysis and manipulation. And if we want to do data manipulation and analysis, obviously it should have some data structures, and series is the basic data structure that comes up with Pandas. That means if we want to store the values in a structured and organized manner, we can use series. It is a one-dimensional labeled array. And how we can use this series and all its operations can be dealt in form of programs. So let's see them in the coming videos. Now, if you want to execute the programs in your computer, you have to install the NumPy. So as you can see, it can be downloaded from the internet through command prompt using pip install pandas command. After the installation only you will be able to execute your programs. Other than that, if you have an internet connection, we can execute the Python Pandas programs using another interface, that is Colab. This is an online program editor where we can create and execute our programs, and the codes will be automatically saved also. And this is how we create and execute programs in Colabs. You have to Google for Google Colab, and if you have logged in using your Gmail account, whatever codes you do here will be automatically saved. And this is the area where we type our program code. So whatever program code you want to execute, you will type here and click on this run button, and it depends on the speed of the internet connection, you will be able to see the output below the code, and this is the output of the program.